Question number 8. Circle two numbers that add together to equal 0.25. So we're trying to make 0.25. Now this number here has got 2 digits after the point. This number's got 2 digits after the point. This has only got 1 digit after the point. And this has only got 1 digit after the point. To make things nice and easy, we might as well put a 0 on here to make it have 2 digits after the point, and a 0 on the end of the 5 to make that have 2 digits after the point. Remember, 0.2 and 0.2 with a 0 on the end mean the same thing, simply because this means no units and 2 tenths, whereas this means no units, 2 tenths, and no hundredths. Well, if there's nothing in this column here, that also means no hundredths. So they do actually mean the same thing. 0.2 and 0.2 with a 0 mean the same thing. And for the same reason, 0.5 and 0.5 with a 0 mean the same thing. It just means no hundredths. Okay? From there, it should be fairly obvious on how to make 0.25. Well, this, you can sort of read it, you're meant to read it as 0.20, but if you look at this as being 20 and this as being 5, 20 and 5 makes 25. So 0.20 and 0.05, 0.20 and 0.05 would make 25. It's a bit like money. This might represent 20p and this might represent 5p, which put together would make 25p. Okay, so the two numbers that you need to circle there are basically this one and this one, because pop the 0 on the end and you can see why it makes 0.25. If you want to check, then you could do this. Okay, remember, line your decimal points up, so 0.05 and 0.2, add them together, see what you get. Well, remember, there's nothing in this gap here, so you can fill it in with a 0. 5 and nothing is 5, nothing and 2 is 2, put your decimal point in, nothing and nothing is nothing. So you can see there, they are the two that added together make 0.25.